Welcome to our latest property, 4 Edge, Whitley Road, Dewsbury. An absolutely stunning 4-bedroomed semi-detached property. One of the bedrooms currently used as a utility and storage area. This is the bargain of the century. Please allow us to show you around. As you can see, the property sits on an enormous rear garden plot. The vendors are mindful, but there's a little bit of work to do here. There could be planning permission, should needs be, if for a house at the back here, which is accessed from the top road there, so you can get diggers in and everything. As I've said, the vendors are mindful, so the price reflects that an element of work can be done in this area. So the property's great value, the views are stunning. If you'd like to view yourself, please give us a call on 01 924 692240 or email us hello@trustsl.co.uk. Grab yourselves a bargain.